Hello everybody, welcome to a new review. This is the TR18 from Rofis with 1100 lumen, and it's a special flashlight. You can rotate the head from 0 to 180 degrees, and I will show you that later. We have a max output of 1100 lumen, 136 meters max beam distance, 320 hours runtime, maximum intensity of 4673 candela, impact resistance 1.5 meters, and IPX8 waterproof rated. We have a manual and the warranty card here. The manual in Chinese and English. Here we have the specs. You can have a look later. Here's the pouch with a Velcro strap. And here's the accessories, as we have a lanyard and a tail cap. So it's a magnetic tail cap and 2 O-rings. So here we have the magnetic tail cap, and we can attach it to this end cap with a 1/4 inch UNC thread, and then we have the magnetic tail cap. Why this isn't built in the flashlight or on the tail cap, I don't know. Maybe the vendor knows, but let's see what this flashlight can do. It's no battery included in this package. Here we can see the spring, so we can use flat top, button top batteries. This is no problem. The 18650 batteries are used in this flashlight. So we have the side switch, no tail switch, tail stand is possible, and the pocket clip, it's no D-pocket clip. You can take it off the flashlight and turn it around. So this is no problem. It's very stable and very durable here on the flashlight. So you won't lose this clip in the field. Now we can see what this flashlight can do. We have to twist the head, front of the head, and then you will see that there's a movement here, and we can turn it around. So now you can see we have this sort of light. So there's some sort of click when you turn it around, so that it stays in these positions. And it's very smooth, and I think in the field it will work very well. But if there's dirt or mud in this mechanics, I'm not sure if it will work as good as it works when it's new. So we have to see that what's happening in the future. So let's have a look at the weight of the flashlight. It's a little bit complicated here with my scale, and we have 74 grams without the battery. And let's see the measurements. So we have 11.8 centimeters, around 11.8. The diameter is 2.9. It's the same for the tail cap. So now we can check the different modes here. I can show you here: moonlight, low, medium, high, turbo mode, and 3 special modes: strobe, beacon, and the SOS function. and the flashlight is now off, and we can turn it on with a click on the side switch. And now we can cycle through this, and there's the one step that is off, but it's, as you can see, it's a standby function and the LED is blinking. And if I turn the knob again, then it's totally off. So it's now the standby step. Then we can do a double click and hold. So double click, hold, and then we have a lock function here on the flashlight. So you can't accidentally turn it on. So there's no indication that it's locked, so you do not see any light or any LED as we have in other flashlights. So now we can activate it. We have a three times click. Then we have the strobe function. Here we have the pouch again. We have this durable eyelet here. Then we have the leash. Kind of issue here. It's not properly made here, so it won't be possible to put it on a big belt. So maybe they can fix this in other products, in the other flashlight pouches. This is a very big Velcro strap. This seems to be okay. So yeah, what can I say about this pouch? It's very well made. Let's now check the current of the flashlight. It's as usual, it's a little bit tricky because you have to get a connection on the thread, and then on the battery minus, and then try the side switch. Now I can click the steps. This is 0.05 amps. Then we have 0.16 amps, 0.7 or 0.67, and 1.5. And yeah, 1.5 is the maximum current that the flashlight delivers here in this current test. Let's now have a look regarding the temperature of the flashlight in the high mode. So I have a IR thermometer here, and I would like to check how the heat spreads on this aluminum body of the flashlight. I hope you can see the LCD now, and 5 minutes later we have 42, 43 degrees, and there was a step down then, so that the temperature didn't exceed the 45 degrees Celsius, not Fahrenheit. So let's check the IPX8. So drop it here into the water, and let it in there around 30 minutes. And surprise, surprise, no problem with IPX8. The flashlight is still on. So no problem, no water in the flashlight, everything is okay. Now we see the drop test from about 1.5 meters onto wood. So I wouldn't do it on concrete because of the damage of the aluminum, of the anodized color, but it's no problem for this flashlight to take the 1.5 meters. Now we see low, no moonshine. It's the low mode, 16 lumens for 88 hours. And we can switch to the next level. It's the 65 lumens. This will last for 29 hours. It's a little bit hard to see on the video. With the eye you can see a little bit more. Now the next step is the 230 lumens for 455 minutes. So we can see the trees barely in the background, but with the eye you can see it much more better. Now it's 1100 lumen. You have this for 30 seconds and it will step down to 550 lumens, and this will last for 75 minutes. Now you'll see the beam shots on the wall. So these are the different steps. You can see the spot and the spill, and it's very nice, and very sharp edges on the spill. Yeah, this is a huge amount of light from this small flashlight. So it's really interesting. It's really cool what this flashlight can do here. Now we can make the strobe. Attention, here we have the strobe, and it's changing frequency here. It's very irritating when you see this in the live view. Yeah, what can I say? The Rofis flashlight is, as usual, a very good, very well made light, very strong light, very durable. The mechanism here to turn the light in this position is a very cool idea, and yeah, the only thing is the magnetic tail cap. They could build it into the flashlight from scratch so that you do not have to attach it manually, the magnetic tail cap. But all in all, it's a very good flashlight, and yeah, I would like to thank Rofis for sending me this, and would like to thank you that you watched this, and have a nice week, and yeah, see you in the next review. Bye bye.